Hey, good morning, everyone. I think you all have a wonderful night, and welcome back. Welcome back to my daily analysis, and I'm planning to do that every day. Um, so thank you very much for coming today, and thank you very much for coming yesterday. And so today we will start talking um about the market. What did the market do yesterday? As you can see, that yesterday is the disclaimer. So this is for education purpose only. So if you want to take a trade or invest, it's at your own risk. Okay. So and so what I wanted to say is that trading involves a lot of risk. So make sure that you understand what you're doing, and then so you can take the best decision, because it's all about you. So my goal is to teach you, educate you, and then so you can take the best decision in your life. Okay, but remember, everything you do, it's at your own risk. All right. Okay, so as you can see here, so we are going to talk about yesterday, and we are going to do a very nice daily analysis on S&P 500 again. So you know me, I really love my S&P. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So we're going to start the session of today, and so we're going to talk about how did the market went all the way up yesterday, exactly as we predicted. Okay, exactly as we predicted the market. So as we can see, so yesterday, let's go back to daily analysis. So this is our weekly. So yesterday we make our analysis that the market highly likely keep going up, because the candle, the 4 hour candle, so the one at exactly at 6 p.m. at not 6 a.m. 6 a.m. The took the weekly liquidity. Yeah. So just let me just delete this. This is my analysis of yesterday. So we're going to do new analysis. So we have a new ATH yesterday, and then this was supposed to be our target yesterday. All right. Oh, sorry. So yesterday, as we marked this is our weekly target. And as we can see, price went all the way up, took the newest ATH, okay, newest all-time high, and the price keep making new all-time high all the time. And then the sellers here were taking out. So let's just have this as our new is the newest ATH, and this was our weekly target. So yesterday, Monday, our weekly target was taken. So now, what are we looking for? Since our weekly target was taken, now we'll be basing our trade mostly on we'll be basing our trade mostly on the daily. So when the daily close, this is how we will know exactly what to do, because our weekly target is already taken and our monthly target is already taken here. So our main focus should be on the daily. Okay, so and since we switch on the daily now, and we, as we can see, based on the Max Maserati model bias, we have a bullish body close. And since we have a bullish body close, okay, since we have a bullish body close, we are expecting price to do what? To take this high here based on the Max Maserati model. All right. So what are we going to do now? we are going to mark we're going to mark out our let me see again, sorry guys. Okay, so what are we going to do now? We are going to mark out our daily bias, MMM bias. Okay, MMM is stand for Max Maserati, which is my Max Maserati model. So I have my own way of visualizing the candle, my own way of analyzing the candle to know exactly what the candle are telling me, and so I can frame my next trade. This is the best way for me. Good morning, Ruben. So this is the best way for me to really analyze the market like I should. Okay. So as we can see here, we are just going to mark, since we have a bullish body close. So, and then we're going to mark this our yesterday low. Okay. This is our yesterday low. And this is our yesterday swing success. Okay. This is our yesterday swing success, because the market, the high, the close of the yesterday candle is higher than the close of yesterday. Okay, the close of yesterday candle is higher than the close of before yesterday, or higher than the open of before yesterday. So we have a bullish body close. So this is our newest ATH. This is our weekly target. So normally, so sellers was waiting here for the buyers yesterday to sell, but the buyers were very strong, which means we have a lot of fresh buyer coming in the market, like, which means a lot of new buyers coming inside of the market. So they didn't really sell back to the sellers who were waiting at the all-time high. Since they didn't really sell to the sellers, and then so price continued to keep going up. Okay, price continued to keep going up, and as we can see, since price continue to keep going up, which means the market, the buyers took on this market in a certain way. And yesterday we saw on top of the volatility line, okay, that market was on top of the bullish volatility line. So which means when the candle closed, as I said yesterday, this price will keep going higher because it's closing above the volatility line, which means the sellers weren't strong enough to push price down. And then so this will be our daily drawn liquidity for today. So this will be our yesterday high. It is our today drawn liquidity. So now since price close bullish body close, so we're expecting price at least to retrace inside of this candle. Okay, to retrace inside of the candle, and then retrace inside of the candle, and then keep going higher if the buyers are still very strong. So this is our main focus today. So let's see how the sellers respond to this candle. As we can see, if we check the open of the candle, or the open of today, the open is not exactly at the same level as the close of yesterday. So yesterday, the yesterday candle closed here. Okay, this yesterday close. So yeah, the yesterday close or settlement line is the price that buyers and sellers agreed to close the market yesterday. So normally on the closing time, you'll find a lot of order, and then today open lower than yesterday close, which means the sellers. No, today open higher. I would say today open higher than yesterday, which means the buyers are still very strong in the market. So this is the close of yesterday. This is the open of today. Okay, so the open is positive. So today's open. So the open is positive. Since the open is positive, so today open, let me write it. Since the open is positive, which means we still have a lot of buyers inside of this market. So probably these buyers open price all the way out here, but the sellers push price down because sellers and people trying to take profit, new sellers and people trying to take profit, push price down. Probably they will retrace inside of this candle. Inside of this candle, we can see that we highly likely, because of this displacement of this huge candle, a lot of buyers came in inside of this candle. So we expect price to retrace, okay, retrace, and then more buyers will come in and then come go up here and to the yesterday high or to the Asian liquidity, unless the sellers are super strong and push price all the way down. So but today I'm expecting that my target for today is the yesterday high. Okay, so my target, my bias is completely bullish because I have a bullish body close. So I don't expect price to close. The only thing that will invalidate my target of today is that price, if price violate this level here, okay, violate this level, the yesterday low, which is my last lines of defense. And then so as we can see, so we can just mark this out, and then we have a new unfair pricing gap on the daily. So let's mark it out, unfair pricing gap on the daily. We can mark it out, we check, we already marked all this yesterday, so we know what's going on. We know that we have an MMM block CDL, so we highly likely expecting price at some point to retrace it, give us an MMM internal block on the daily, but this might take a long time. Okay, so let's go on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, okay, on the 4 hour, what can we see? Okay, so let's go where price took the high yesterday. As I was saying yesterday, okay, this was our weekly target. Okay, and then yesterday, what happened when this candle closed? Okay, and I think I was in here with you. I say when this candle closed, okay, then this candle closed here yesterday. I say price. Let me take the MVM out because I don't really need it on my chart to be a bit cleaner. So when price took these when the 5 a.m. candle closed yesterday, I was saying that I highly likely expect price to do what? To when this candle open, I was saying this candle will take this weekly high immediately. And what we say, immediately took the high, immediately, and then push up. Okay, and then push up. And then what else happened? And then price took the high, okay, price took the high, and then retrace back. Okay, the one good things about the MVM, which is the market volatility momentum. So when price is it can tell you exactly when price is retracing and when price is reversing, or when we have a reversal. So if price is retracing, price will stay inside of the be in between of the signal line and then the lower volatility band or the bearish volatility band. Okay, it will stay inside of it. If it stays inside of it, it doesn't cross down of the bearish volatility line, which means price is consolidating. Okay, means price is consolidating. Okay, so yesterday, so yesterday, I think price closed here. I think 6. It was 6. Okay, so the price, when this candle closed, and then you see this is the candle I talked about yesterday. I say when price close, 1 hour close here around here, and then 6 a.m. candle, 1 hour open here. When it opened, look at the volume that came in. Do you see do you see the volume, guys? What happened with the MMPD? Okay, let me put it again. MMPD. Okay, good. Okay, so when you see price go up, and then when price is retracing, so this is the bullish volatility line, bearish volatility line. If price is bullish and price is doing a retracement, when price is doing a retracement, how do you know price is doing a retracement? One, price will stay inside, in between of the signal line and then and volatility, bullish, bearish volatility band. It will stay inside. It will not cross down, or it will not even it touch it. It will not close. But the best is that it doesn't even touch it. This is the way you know that price is highly likely to keep going up. Okay. And then once I saw this price close above the volatility band, as I was telling you, I'm like, okay, this price will go all the way up. And then I think I stopped the live around this candle here. But price just push up like with power, and then we chase and then push up. And then so I did take my trade in here, around here. Okay, I did take my trade when at this bullish body close candle, when price retrace bullish body close, and you can see the MMPD. Okay, MMPD stand for Max Maserati Premium and Discount. And then so you see the sellers coming in, price retrace inside of premium, and we have this blue candle, which means price is looking for retracement or looking for reversal. And then we have this PO for bullish, which validate everything. And as you can see, price stay around this level here. Okay, because this is your newest ATH that price just cross with power. If price cross this level with power, which means price will come back to it to see if they are strong enough. And then since we have a lot of buyers at this level, okay, remember this candle here, the 1 hour open here, it opened with strength, with power, and then took the newest ATH. And then since this moment I saw this candle, I'm like, okay, this price will keep pushing up. Okay, and then we see price come back to the same level here. Okay, to the same level, and then you see buyers coming again, and then price just push up, all the way up, all the way up, never stop. Okay, never stop. Okay, price just keep pushing up. And yesterday all the 4 hour candles were bullish body close. All of them were bullish body close. And I think if you came yesterday in this live, you probably learned a lot about the bias of yesterday, and then probably did a very nice trade. And as you can see this buyers are coming in here, coming in. Okay, these are all HVC bullish, 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 bullish. You see, none of these HVC bullish candle were violated, of price didn't even come and touch them. See, they all were respected, all the lows respected, and price just keep pushing up. And then price, and then and then this is the volatility band. So this is yes for yesterday. Okay, and then if you were to go in 5 minutes, yesterday, and then the trade was so beautiful. See, this is a price, and so this is your CDL block in 15 minutes. Okay, and then this is internal block. This is This is like your CDL in 1 minute. This is what your CDL in 1 minute. External block CDL in 1 minute. And then this is your internal block in 1 minute as well here. Now this I think this was 15 minutes if I can recall. Yeah, this is 15 minutes. Yeah. This is your internal block 15 minutes. This is your CDL in 15 minutes, your CDL in internal long in 15 minutes. Okay, so since I get my internal block here in 15 minutes, price retrace, so this is why entry point of yesterday, and then price just keep pushing up like crazy. So the only way I trade is I wait for my internal block, my external and internal, and then I enter. And then the trade was in 15 seconds. I think. Let me just bring this all the way back so I can show you. So so the trade was in 15 seconds. So price, this was my internal block in 15 minutes here. And then you see price retrace inside of it, and then I had a bullish body close candle here on 15 minutes. You see this 15 minutes, candle here was a bullish body close. So since when I saw this bullish body close, so I dropped in 5 minute, 1 minute, 30 second, 15 second to find the best entry. So when price touch this level here, see price touch this level here on 15 minutes, it's touched my MMA internal block on 15 minutes. So this is where I entered my trade, and then my stop loss was here, and then price just kept pushing up. And then I take my 1 to 2, get out. I just leave one lots, and then price went all the way up with it. And I didn't. I come. I think I closed that position very late. I just moved my. I think I entered with 3 lots, and then after that I took 2 out. I wish my 1 to 2. I took 2 out and leave with just one. Keep going. Anyway, so okay, so let's go back on today. So let's go back on today. So we are focusing on today. I was just showing you yesterday trade. Okay, so today what we have is today normally, as I told you, you never take a trade unless the 4 hour candle of 10 p.m. close. You don't take any trade because for me the 4 hour the 10 the 4 the 10 p.m. 4 hour candle is the best candle that can really tell you what's going on. Okay, what can you expect for the day? All right, and then as we can see here, this is the yesterday. So price closed here yesterday, and then price opened all the way up here today. So and then price opened here, but price just did a little retracement, very small retracement, and retracement push up just a little bit. And then you see the 4 hour candle. It closed what? It closed bearish affinity plus. Since this candle closed bearish affinity plus, and then you know when we have a bearish affinity plus, and then if you were to take a trade based on the four the you were to trade London, you just wait for this candle 4 hour candle to close to tell you exactly what to do, and then this will have been your drawn liquidity on the 4 hour. Okay, and as you can see, price retrace, okay, and then push down. This would have been find your sellers here. Sellers will have been here. Okay, sellers will have been here, and then so today, and then now you should wait for this candle to close before you take any trade. Okay, but we'll analyze this candle, what we can expect. Since today is bullish, we're expecting price to go all the way up, and then what do we have here? Here, as we can see, we have an opening gap. So which means the open of this candle and the open of this candle are not the same. So highly likely price might come to this level here, because price hate this kind of little hole. So price needs to be perfect, since price is perfection. But as we can see, this candle already retraced back inside of it, so which means we don't have it. So price love perfection. See, this candle retraced exactly here on this little hole, so it's filled out. So what are we looking at? So we have sellers here. Let's mark our sellers. We have sellers here. Sellers. We have the sellers here. These are sellers with bullish body close. Okay, where it is in the 4 hour H4. Okay, and then we highly likely have sellers here when this candle closes as well, but let's wait. And then we have sellers here. We have sellers here. So this will expect if the buyers were looking to sell or take profit, and then new sellers were coming in, this will be the target area. This is where they will be targeting to take profit or to push price. So these are not the sellers bullish body close again. So we'll be marking them. So these are important area. Remember, below every single candle we have sellers, and above of every single high we have buyers. Okay, so these are all liquidity. And then here, and then we have our unfair pricing gap on this is 4 hour. So let's mark it out. Fair pricing down 4 hour. And then as we can see, we have our HVC here, HVC here, and then this is our latest HVC. So this area is our HVC as well, plus HVC. Since it is our HVC, we expect price to might come and take the lever to the sellers down here. And so if the sellers are strong enough, they will keep pushing price down. But if there's no new sellers coming in, and then which means price will, so the buyers will buy again, okay, from the sellers. So we have sellers selling here, so the buyers will be looking to buy from them to this in this area. So the buyers will push price down and be looking to buy from them. But what we don't want to see at this level, since it is our highest HVC bullish, which means there's a lot of buyers expecting to buy at this level. We cannot see price closing below it. We want to see that price coming here and then buy a lot from the seller selling here. Okay. And then so we don't really expect price to retrace all the way down here to this unfair pricing gap. It doesn't make sense unless price want to really like make a deep retracement, or price want to unless there's a news, or price wants to make a deep retracement, or price wants to reverse, or price want to retest this level here. But as we can see, we don't know what price wants to do unless this 4 hour candle close. When this 4 hour candle close, we'll know exactly what we expect. If price if it's a bearish body close, we expect price to take the low of this new H4, which 4 hour, and then probably come to this level here. So the sellers bullish body close, HVC, its level is 58.98.50. So we do not expect price to close below this level. We expect price to come to it and react strongly to it today. So or if not, price come down here. So but the area we don't want price to even come or touch is this level here. So if price come to this level and violate this level here, or violate this low, this is the daily. So this is yesterday low. This is our yesterday low. Okay, we do not want price to come to this level, even touch, violate for with one tick this this candle here. If price does that, we no longer bullish, in my opinion. We no longer bullish because we do not want price to come all the way down here. Okay, which means the buys are very, very weak. So price should retrace from this level to this level and take this liquidity today or during this week. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. And as we can see, that price now is very bearish, and then price is pushing down. So, and then we can check the volatility band. So on the 4 hour, so price is almost close below the signal line, which means that the sellers want to keep pushing price down. And then we are below the volatility band. And then let's see in the 1 hour as well. In the 1 hour, price is inside of the signal line. As you can see, you can see how my indicator lining up. As I make this observation, I say that I do not want price to close below this level, because this is my bullish HVC. And do you see where is the volatility line is? So which means if price cross this level here, and then will be below the bearish volatility line, which means the price highly likely keep pushing down. Okay, so it's exactly, see, the volatility line, bearish volatility line is exactly at the same level with my HVC bearish, my HVC bullish, the area that I don't want price to close below. Price can touch it and push up, but never close below it. So let's see how price react. If price will come all the way down here, how price will react to this level, and then what are we looking at? Okay, as I say, I do not want price to come to this level here. If price come to this level here, we highly likely come inside of this unfair pricing gap, or we could just touch it. But my strongest area where I expect a huge reaction is from here, and I don't want this candle, any candle on the 4 hour. I don't want any 4 hour candle to close below this level, to close below 58.98.50. Okay, so as we can see, this 1 hour candle close bullish, bearish body close. See, so this is our next target. Okay, now our next target is this H4, H1, H1 low draw on liquidity. So this is our next target because this where we have sellers. So if price close bearish body close, so we expect price to target the sellers here. So we have sellers here. So okay, not sellers, buyers. This is the buyers. Oh, so this is buyers. I'm just writing this sellers. Sorry, guys. This is buyers. Oh, where is my head? These are our buyers. Below every single candle, we have buyers, and above every single candle, we have sellers. So these are our buyers. Sorry, guys. I made a like made a mistake. I can just confuse. So these are our buyers, bullish body close, buyers, bullish body close. So we are expecting price to come here, and then buyers will come in and buy a lot. Okay. Okay, so price deliver to this buyer, but to the buyers here, but the sellers didn't really. So as you see, price react to this level here because we have buyers, and below every single candle we have buyers. See, price is just react to it. So this is the where you should focus to take profit because you don't know if price will push. You don't know if the buyers are strong enough to push price up. See how price is reacting to this level here. Okay, from here to here, for example, normally in every single candle from the low to the close. From the low to the close, you'll find buyers. You'll find buyers. You'll find buyers. From the low to the close, you'll find buyers. Okay? Um, no, let me just change the color to just have the buyers here because it seems like I didn't have it. Mhm. So the I created this model is just a way to help you understand price much better. Okay, so price you see how price reacting nicely to the level. So from the low to the close of every single, you will always expect a kind of sorry a kind of fight between sellers and buyers always. And um and let's go to the 15 minutes. In the 15 minutes, since I told you, we always find buyers below every single candle. And what do we have here? Exactly an equal low. So price were meant to react to this level because we're in an equal low. And see, price came and delivered exactly to this unfair pricing gap and pushed down. And now we can see price if price wants to keep going pushing lower, price needs to close below the volatility line. This candle close below the volatility line, we trace, but next candle, this candle here, to really confirm that price is really going down, we need to see price keep closing below the bearish volatility line. Okay, otherwise if it doesn't close, this is just a mere retracement. Okay. Okay, so now let's check where is our London session. So this Asia session, price took Asia low, and our New York PM low as well with strength and power. And then you see price took this low, and then price we touched this level, we tested, and then they push price lower. But price cannot really keep price cannot really keep moving below this volatility line. Okay, so we need to wait for this 4 hour candle to close to really know exactly where price wants to go and what price wants to do. So basically we have 1 hour left, I think. Let me check the 4 hour. Yes, we have 48 minutes left to know exactly what price wants to do. Okay, but so far, we are looking very bearish. So if we're looking very bearish, but remember today we're expecting to take a bullish trade, unless price retrace, unless price violate this yesterday low. So we are looking for to take a bullish trade. For me, if I don't find anything like that tells me to go bullish, I wouldn't even bother to take a trade. All right. And then so this is the 15 minute. I will, and then we are already in discount, deep discount, and then price is inside of the volatility or inside of the discount volatility box here. This blue box, this is the discount volatility box. Okay, we already inside of the discount volatility box. So price is looking now. We are looking for price to give us a PO for bullish or create a market to change. So I don't enter any trade if I don't see a market to change or a PO for bullish or my MM external block, my MM internal block. So exactly is the way I trade. So I'll be sitting dark here. I will be just sit. I don't do anything. But let me check what do we have in terms of 15 minutes. So this is today. So today we have this market to change here. We have a PO4 here. This PO4 created the market to change with bearish body close now. Is this one created PO4 with market here? So we can see here this candle here. Let me put the market to change. This candle here, this PO4 here created the market to change with a PO4. So here we have our MMM external block bearish here. So this is our MMM external block bearish here. This is our CDS on the 15 minutes. Since I'm not really looking to take, what? This is not giving me MMM external block CDS. What? What is happening? What? That's strange. This is not even. I'm trying to place this MMM block. It's not even. The templates are not working. None of them are working. What's going on? What? Why these templates are not working? None of them are working. What's going on? Anyway, here's something we should review. Let me just write it by hand. And this is my MMM external block CDS on M15. All right. So let me just put it in red. As we can see, guys, see this is the reaction of the 15 minutes candle. It didn't close. Let's check the MVM. See, it didn't bother to close below the MVM. So, and we are in discount. So will this candle be a bullish body close? Okay, or will it be a PO for bullish? Let's see. And if we have a PO for bullish here, highly likely this price might be looking to push higher up. And then we were just inside of the unfair pricing gap. And then what else could we see here? What else could we see here? Let me take the MVM out. What else could we see here? We could see here that we have a MMM external block. Okay, here with body close here as well, and then with an unfair pricing gap. And then we could even mark this as well. So just to have, okay, we have a MMM market to change here as well. So let's see if this works. CDL. It doesn't work. I don't know what's going on with TradingView. Okay, let's just write it by hand. MMM external block CDL 15 minute M15. All right. And then as we can see, price come exactly to this MMM block and react from it. And then inside of unfair pricing gap on the 15 minutes. And then price is reacting to this MMM internal block, external block here on the 15 minutes. And then as we can see, Price is reacting to it. So we don't do anything. We just sit, chill. We just chill. We don't do anything. So price highly likely come back, take this London, and then here on the 15 minutes as well, we have an unfair pricing gap plus an unfilled portion. So you just stick to the bias. If your bias is bullish, you look for a bullish trade. You don't do anything else. Okay? You just remember you always go with the big bank, with the big institution. This is your best bet. Okay? If you try to unfair pricing gap, let me see if this work. It doesn't work. I don't know what's happening. I need to refresh this, but maybe I can do it now. I'll do it later then. Anyway, this is my unfair pricing gap, UPG, on the 15 minutes, M15. And this is my unfilled portion on the 15-minute unfilled portion, which is like if the market didn't completely fill this level, which is telling me that the market highly likely come back to this level. Okay, highly likely the market will come back to this level and fill it out. So this is my unfilled portion. I really love the unfilled portion. I love to trade them. They are so efficient. For me, the unfilled portion are a way of the market telling you that, okay, I'm highly likely coming back to this level because see, the unfilled portion is exactly on top of London, which means price highly likely will come to the London high. And then we have bunch of liquidity on top of Asia. We have a lot of sellers. So if someone buy here, you ask yourself, if someone buy here, or if you were to buy from here, where will you sell? You will sell around here, you will sell around here. Okay, you will sell inside of the you will sell to the in the settlement line, which is the close of yesterday. And if you're strong enough you want to keep buying, you will sell here in top of London, and you will sell here on the unfilled portion gap, and then you'll be selling here on top of Asia. You'll be selling this area at the today's open. And so since the today's open was positive, so we really expect price to keep pushing up. Okay, so we don't need this because this strong liquidity was already taken, and then the market did the job since. Oh, okay, for example here, so this 1 hour candle, this h1 low, h1 low, so this 1 hour candle, okay, price already delivered inside of it. Price just delivered to it. Okay, price just delivered to it. Since price delivered to it, so and then price did this job because this is a bearish body close. We have buyers here waiting to buy, and then price went there to deliver to the buyers, and then the buyers just buy. And then you see 15-minute. I don't know what is happening with this. The trading view is like crazy. I don't know. I don't have anything open. Let me just close this. Okay. So as you can see, so price is looking to do what? To push up now. And then let's see. You see the MVM price is crossing the MVM, and the MVM, the signal line is getting like bearish, like not bearish, bullish. Sorry. And then so price couldn't really keep pushing below the bearish volatility line. And as we can see, this is a seek and destroy candle, probably with bullish or bearish affinity. We should measure it and see. Okay, let me see. This is the bear are from here, bulls are from here to here, 0.03%, and the bulls are from here. The bulls are from here to here. The bears are from here to here, 0.04%. So which means this candle is strongly bearish. It's a seek and destroy with bearish affinity, which means price should have keep pushing down, but it didn't. So we're seeing the opposite. Since we are seeing the opposite, this price highly likely keep pushing up. And then if we go to the 1 minute, the 1 minute will tell us a much better story. The price took this liquidity level here, all right, but we don't really have any PO4 on the 1 minute. Let's see the 30 seconds. If we were expecting a reaction from this level, see the bias is bullish. See on the 30 sec on the 30-second candle, we have our PO4 here. See buyers coming in, fresh buyers coming in. The institution just get inside of this candle here. This is the highest volume candle we have, and you see, since the institution come inside of this candle here, and then once this price come down here to this level, even in the 30 second, No candle close below this level here because the institutional buyers entered the trade entered here, so which means like, oh, let's push this price up. See, this institution here. Okay, see, institution here, this candle here, this is the candle. See, no price close below it. With this price touch, fill out them for pricing gap, touch, one, two, three, four touches, and no candle close below it. And what do you see next? They get in. See, this the buyers get fresh buyers getting in this candle. Fresh buyers getting in. You see, fresh buyers is our HVC. So price comes to it, boom, boom, touch it one to three times, push up. Okay. Now this is our HVC. This is our HVC now. Will price close below it? If price close below this HVC on the 30 seconds, which means price highly likely we trace back. Come all the way down here, we chase back and then give us a nice entry. Okay. But since this is our MMM in external block on 30 second, so if price were to keep pushing higher, so on the 30 second, what I like to do, I like to take the entire range because 30 second, and so this will be by my MMM external block CDL. I don't know why this is not writing. This is crazy. This will be my MMM external block CDL. It will be like S30, S30, 30 second. Normally, this level here, okay, it should be from here to here. But since this is from it, normally it should be from here to here. Okay, this should have been my external block CDL. Since this is like we have a lot of what is called equal low in this 30 second candle, and then so we prefer to have this kind of caution here, okay, because this 30 second, so you need to have a broader range because you don't want price to just come and take you out, or anyway you need to expect price to come to the what is called to the discount area. And as we can see here, price closed below the HVC. So let's see if price will keep pushing down to keep closing. But since price closed below this HVC here, so now we expect price to close below the HVC one. So price now will retrace. So we have a clear confirmation that price will retrace. So if I were inside of this long, I will have get out at this level. Once I see this close below this HVC, I will have just get out. So now we're expecting a retracement. A retracement or a bullish retracement or price or just a reversal. Or price just go back. Or was it a bearish retracement on the higher time frame? Or is it a bullish retracement on the lower time frame? So this is what we're looking at now. If it's a bullish retracement on the lower time frame or a bearish retracement on higher time frame, because remember price, like let's like if it's a bearish retracement on 1 hour, because so now we are not really bearish here, but on the 1 hour, are we bearish? Yes, we are bearish. So if it's a bearish retracement in the 1 hour, or if it's a bearish retracement in the 15 minutes, or let me take the MVM out, or if it is a bearish retracement on the 5 minute, or if it is a bullish retracement on the 1 minute and the 30 second. So the only two time frames that is telling us that price wants to keep moving higher is the 30 second and the 1 minute. Okay, and 30 second and 1 minute at this point. So what are we looking at? The best case scenario, we'll highly likely want to see price fill out this unfair pricing gap and push up, or just or if price were to keep pushing higher, or if price were to keep pushing higher, we'll have a nice price wouldn't even go retracing back inside of this candle. So price will just retrace inside of premium and keep pushing up. So let's see. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Ricardo. Thank you very much. Yeah. So this is what it is. So I will be leaving exactly in 3 minutes. I have 3 minutes left. So please, if you have any questions and anything you want to ask me, go ahead. I'm more happy to ask to respond to your questions. And by the way, I just upgraded the MMPD. Why is this? Let me just reset the chat. I don't know why this trading view is not really working as it should be. Yeah, if you have any questions, guys, please feel free to ask all the questions. I'll be doing this daily analysis every day, and probably 4 days a week, 4 days a week, and then yeah, see. So now price just react to this level here. So price just retrace inside of premium, which is telling us that price is very strong. Let's check the MVM. See, price is respecting the MVM. You see, which means volatility, bullish volatility is very strong. See, price we trace and stay above the bullish volatility line and stay above the signal line, which is telling us that price is the bulls are quite strong. If they can keep price above the volatility line, okay, which means they are very strong. So let's see how the bear react because this is the market now on the higher time frame, like from the 4 hour from the 1 hour 15 minutes and 5 minutes is the market, but from the daily 4 hour weekly it's bullish market, but from the 4 hour from the 1 hour 15 minutes in 5 minutes it's a bear market. So let's see what will happen. So yeah, let's see what will happen. Will the bear keep pushing down or will the bull? But as we can see in the 1 minute, the market is above the bullish volatility line. And in the 5 minutes, let's see how it looks like. Oh, it's looking like let's see if this candle will close above. But as we can see, institutional buyers are getting in. They got in inside of this candle here. They are getting in, and we have a pure for bullish here. So let's see. We have a market to change at this level here. Okay, the hope is that this candle close, let's say just close inside here, whilst we trace inside of the PO4 bullish and then create a market to change. Let's see what will happen. Now this 15 minutes couldn't really close bullish body close, so which means the bear are still strong. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen. So anyway, we need to wait for this 4 hour candle to close before we take any trades. We have 29 minutes left. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask the question. So I'm leaving soon, and then so probably I'll come back. I'll come back when the market. So I need to do something, and then I'll come back when this candle close. All right. So I was telling you guys. I don't know what is happening with Trading View. It's kind of freezing. I don't know why. Anyway. Oh, this is the candle. Like this is the MVP. Ah, it's freezing. What's going on? This is a nice indicator I'm working on, which is the MVP. This stands for. Oh, it's not working. Why is it not working? Why is this trading? Oh, that's strange. Anyway, I think it's either the internet here or Trading View. Oh, this is quite strange. Anyway, This is strange. I think trading view is like freezing or something like that. Anyway, as you can see, price is, we would love to see price close above this MVM to tell us that the bullish volatility kick in, and then probably price will retrace. If price is strong enough, price will just keep going up. If it's not, it will just retrace back inside of the, oh yeah, see, yeah. The guys are coming in. So will this, so this is the low of this candle. Will price, highly likely, it will price close below or on top, give us like a bearish affinity, bullish affinity plus. Okay, so let's see. So let's just wait 27 minutes now left for this candle to close. Anyway, that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on the Discord, on WhatsApp, or down on YouTube comments. And thank you very much for coming. Please like the video, share it with your pals if you feel it was useful for you. And then anything, just feel free to ask me any questions you have. And then that's all for today. Bye. Take care, and see you tomorrow.